Madam Vice Chairman, I thank you for giving me opportunity to participate in the discussion on the railway budget for 1990-91 presented by the Railway Minister in this House on March 14, 1990. Stop. This is the first railway budget of the National Front government and coming from a dedicated socialist, honorable railway minister, leader of the Railwaymen's Union. We expected much from Mr. George Fernandez. Stop. We expected that something effective will come out which will be beneficial to our common man. Stop. The budget was expected to raise high expectations as I mentioned earlier, but I am sorry to say that the budget has not come up to our expectations. Stop. To our utter dismay, we observe the railway minister has proposed an all-round increase in fare and freight, parcel and luggage rates and also monthly season tickets. Stop. There is a sharp increase of 17% in the fares of air conditioned first class AC, sleeper class, first class and AC chair in mail and express trains for varying distances. Stop. The second class sleeper surcharge has also been increased substantially, ranging from 33% to 55%. Stop. The surcharge for a distance up to 500 kilometers has been raised from rupees 10 to rupees 15 for distances of 501 to 1000 kilometers. The hike is from rupees 15 to rupees 20, and for distances beyond 1000 kilometers it will be from rupees 15 to rupees 25. Stop. For second class and season tickets there is an increase in the fare varying from rupees 4 to rupees 12 per month. Stop. The increase in the case of first class monthly season tickets is to range between rupees 16 and rupees 48 depending on distance. Even the platform ticket has not been spared and it will now cost rupees 2 as against rupees 1.50. Stop. There is a sharp increase of 10% in freight charges, parcel and luggage rates, although some essential commodities have been exempted from the hike. Stop. The effect of these changes is bound to have substantial upward impact on the price level of essential commodities. Stop. The middle class, which is mainly on railway transport, will be extremely hard hit not only by the increase in the second class sleeper surcharge but also in the hike in the fare in second class accommodation of mail and express trains. Stop.